Is your productivity stopped because Zebra Tech can't find the Zsdk library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. While preparing the manual steps for Zsdk library, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Zsdk library. The Zebra Link-OS SDK library is used by Windows applications to communicate with and control industrial thermal printers. It manages the ZPL, Zebra programming language, handshake, and label printing logic. If missing, label printing software and shipping tools will fail to detect the printer, citing a Zebra API Initialization Failure. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Zsdk is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Zsdk library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Remember that manual replacement of Zsdk library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. A maintenance path for Zsdk library and system optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. If this fix repaired Zsdk library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.